it just switched off. I don't know what this is called. I really don't know what this is called. So I have load shedding and electricity is gonna be back in like 20 minutes. So I was trying to like use my ring lights, use my, what do you call this, the laptop, obviously for my ring lights. There's still a bit of light outside, but I think it's not enough because it's like 5:30 now. So if it goes out, I'm so sorry. Wow, then just lights out. I'm at a point where I don't know what to do now. The lighting is not bad, ne? I think I just have to like reposition myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I need to close a window. Lizoshona ilanga sithandwa sami and kuzomela ningixolele, like kuzomela nje ngixole cuz angeke ngisabukeka kanje, but at least the camera is trying. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope you like what you see and you subscribe and you check my other videos out. And if you are a golden oldie, a returnee, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another video. I really do appreciate your support. Bro! Ah! Don't ask me why I'm screaming. I'm just a bit excited because, you know, like, it's an exciting day. I spent more money that I didn't have. So, then, in today's video, I will be showing you, I need a few thumbnail, like, pictures. And another one. And the last one. Oh, guys, love it for myself. As I did say in like another video, I'm not sure if you have watched it yet or you're still to watch it. I feel like I'm getting to a point where I'm really comfortable being on camera, and that makes me so excited. Like, I didn't stutter. I'm very excited. So, as I did say in today's video, I didn't say that actually. I'll be showing you the homey stuff that I got in like the past week or two. So as you know from like my other videos, I moved into a new place and, you know, I had to start buying like home goods. And yeah, so we're gonna start with Pep Home. It actually wasn't Pep Home, was it? Yeah, it wasn't Pep Home. It was just like the home section, like in the regular Pep. So I got a couple of things. Oh, by the way, the only things that I'm seeing for the second time is what I got from Pep. And then everything else, I'll be seeing them for the first time. And I'm excited. So I got these. I saw, what do you call this? I saw, what's this? I want to say something very important. I saw a video, yes, a TikTok video on Twitter. This lady had like 1 million ice trays and she demonstrated, because she was like, a lot of people ask her why does she have so many ice trays, and then she like made different drinks using the different types of like ice cubes. And I was influenced, obviously, because I'm Tandizinto. So I bought these ones. Apart from like the standard ones that come with the fridge, I got these ones from there. And then so these ones are the small round ones. No, they're not round, they're like a half semicircle. Yes, semicircles. And then I got these ones. These are like the long ones. I saw that she normally uses these ones for like what's this, like the gym bottle, whatever, like, you know. And then I got these like super big ones, and they all have rubber underneath, so I'm very excited about that because now you don't have to struggle, babe. And then I got, so this isn't really like home stuff. I normally buy the wipes in bulk. Most of the time you find them at Pep, they're like 50 bucks. Or if you don't find them at Pep, they're not on sale at the time. You'll find them, I think it's ShopRite if I'm not mistaken, but it's mostly Pep. So the Cuddlesome range, they normally package these and then they sell them for like 50 bucks at Pep. I think it's Cuddlesome only, ne? I'm not really sure. I got a water bottle. I tried to go to the gym, so I thought I should get myself something cute for like the gym. This was like 20 bucks. Oh, I forgot. This is 25 rands. And then these are like 20 rands, just in case you want to get them. And then these are also 20 bucks, so they're very cheap. And then this is like 20 rands also. I think it's on sale. Yes, it is on sale. And then up next, I got these huge jars. They're very cheap. They're like 33 rands, these ones. So I'm not really sure what I want to do with them yet. I think I'm just gonna add like sugar, but in these ones, or maybe like, but cereal is not necessary. I got the same thing. So I think everything in here was on sale at Pep. And there's one thing left. Oh, then I got shot glasses. They were like 5 rands if I'm not mistaken. Just like quickly unwrap them. 4.50. So I got these shot glasses. I got 4 of them. Yeah, at least shame. Umuntu ozofika azovakasha uzothatha ama shots because siyaphuza la ekhaya. Where's the last one? And isn't there none? Oh, like, okay, found the last one. Moving on to the next one. I actually like the lighting. I hope it doesn't disappoint me when it comes to like editing. I'm not really, you know, mad at it. At Home had a sale at some point. You already know what's in Gemina. But if there's a sale, I'm obviously gonna buy it. I bought like bathroom stuff, and I'm about to see them for the first time. So the theme for my bathroom is like clear glass type of like accessories for the bathroom. So I'm changing from like the gray, because I feel like this place has already has too much gray already. Like the cupboards are gray, the walls are like a very light shade of gray. So I just wanted my bathroom to like have, you know, that. I actually forgot to buy a caddy, so let's just quickly bavele bayenza kwaba i-rocket science ke lena. Like, why is it so difficult? Izothi suka bese iyawa iyaphihlika. Oh God. So the first one that I got, the box is too big for lezinto ezincane kanje. So the first one that I got is this soap dish. Is that what you call it? Was it 10% off the original price? This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And then the second one that I got is, if I was one that said, oh, after this, like, I'm really sorry, there's nothing I can do. My power bank is not charged. My laptop just switched off and The next one that I got is this gloss for my toothbrush. This was $129, but this is like the original price, so I'll just put the discounted price right here. Ooh, I think I'm gonna be happy about this one. Okay, this is actually big. Wow. Okay. So I got this like necessity. I don't know why I got it, but it looked really nice online. I don't think it was gonna be this big. It looks really nice. Oh my gosh. So I don't think I'm gonna use this for the bathroom. I'm probably gonna use this for like the lounge. It looks really nice. Like you see, it was $149. With this one, I'm not exactly mad, you know, because like it looks really nice. It's just that I need to think because it looks really nice. I really like it. The $149 is the original price. I think I know what this is. It is my soap dispenser. Everything that I got is from like the same range, the ribbed kind of, you know, material. This is also $149, the original price. I hope I don't regret buying one of each. I hope I don't. So far with the rating, like everything that I got from at home, I'm really happy. They look really nice and they feel very like strong, so I'm excited about that. The last thing that I need, that I'm struggling to find, is a glass or acrylic toilet brush. I need to like wrap up because the light is about to not be there. Oh, I have something to show you. It's quite a great steal. The other day I found these on Facebook. I got these for $3.50 for both. And you know what, I'm actually happy that I didn't buy them at the store. The only thing that I need to do is just to change this to be silver because this is gold. Remember that I'm not sure if I shared with you in like another vlog that the theme for my bedroom was, you know, creams, you know, like soft neutral shades, but like more on like the brown side, like different shades of brown. But then I changed last minute because I couldn't find a proper headboard, so I just changed to like shades of gray. So then you'd have like your silver, like your light grays, your dark grays, and that's what I went with, because also like there's a lot of gray in my bedroom and like maybe a bit of white. So with this I decided that I'm just going to wrap it. I'm gonna show that to you in another vlog, how I plan to change the color, but it's not gonna be permanent. It's just something temporary, yes, so that, you know, just in case I decide to sell it. Once upon a time I was on Twitter and Amarula had an ad. They were using these really nice tumbler-like glasses, and you know what, Amarula, if you're watching this, you did me dirty because ngacela my glass, and then when I was so I googled, I don't know, iced tea glasses or whatever, and then I ended up finding them in a shop that I ended up spending millions on. So I found this really nice shop, the Home Quarter. I am seeing these for the first time. You know, I've been trying to like gibambe, you know, just so that I can obviously see them with you guys. So I got this as a gift. I'm convinced it was gonna be sweet because I tried to like feel on like the envelope just to figure out what's in 9 packs. So thank you for your order. It's like a card. Yeah, it's a cookie. I thought it was a sweet. I'm so excited! But they were R1,000,000. Like, I can't believe I spent so much money. This is what they look like. It's just that you can't really see them now because they don't have anything inside. But however, so this is the 550 ml. So I bought two 550 and I bought two 440 because I was not really sure about the sizing. I wanted to like exchange one of them when I get them. I was just gonna ask them like nicely, but then when they got here, I actually liked both. So this is like the 440. It's pretty short, and then so the 440 is 109, and then the 550 is 119. Yes, it's 119 per glass. On the side they do come with glass straws, and I just hope I don't, because I've wanted these for a long time. It's just that I was a bit lazy to like spend some money on these. So these are glass, clear glass. I'm very happy about them. They come with the each of the tumblers, and then the last thing that I got two of these. I need to go back and buy two more. So I bought these really nice. Okay. Like, the lighting is really failing me now. I really need to hurry up. I got these champagne glasses, and you know what? They cost $1,000,000, but it was so worth it. It's the ones that you see in restaurants and on Instagram and so I just decided to buy them for myself. The problem is that I only got two because it was the last two, so I'm still gonna go and get more. This was 100 rands for one glass. They look so cute in person. I'm not mad actually. I'm actually not mad. I really do hope that you are enjoying the Vlogtober, whatever it is that I'm doing. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really don't know what to say anymore. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate it. And what else I have to say? Yes, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you can. Oh yes, comment down below which product you actually liked and which one you're going to cop, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers, bitch.